Okay, guys, today we are going to learn about the web chat or the Omni chat. So, for that, first we need to go into the service setup. From here, we can go into the service setup and then we will be clicking on the view all. And from here, we will be clicking chat with customer. Then the wizard will open. Then we will click on the start. Then, first of all, we need to put a queue name here. I'm gonna give it as case support chat, and the name of this group would be, we can give a case support chat agents. Now we need to select the users with the chat license. I am selecting myself as the user here. Then this is the routing configuration name. I'm keeping the name as the same as the queue name, and I'm setting the priority as 1 here. Now this is the time to set the work item size and the agent capacity this chat is going to take. I'm setting as 1. Now we need to put the address of the site where this chat is going to be placed. Currently I am doing the site name as the same because we will be putting this chat on one of the community page. So I am giving this URL. Then next we have what we need to put, whether it's sales, whether we are putting the chat for the sales or for the service or for the just acquiring the contact. So what I'm gonna do, I will select the service here, and I will click on the next. This is gonna do the, this will link the chat with the case and the contact. I will click on the next. This is the offline support. If you want to give support when the agent is not online, then we can enable it here also, or we can enable it at the later stage also. So we can do it here. Now this is done. This is the script generated by Salesforce, and we need to put this script on the external website if we are going to put this chat on the external visual page or external site. We can access it at the later point of also, so we can just click on the next here and done. Now we are going to add that chat on one of our community page. So I open the community, and in this community we are going to create brand new page. So I'm clicking on this drop down, then new page, standard page, full width. I'm putting the name as chat demo, simple name. And on this page what we are gonna do, we will be putting that our embedded chat that we have just created. And from the configuration drop down we would be selecting this case support chat. This is the error that we are going to resolve in a few minutes. And we can change this chat button label also. So I'm going to change it as chat with agent. Okay, now we need to publish it. Before that, let's see if there is any error. Okay, this is the error that we are going to resolve. And this is the URL that we need to add under the CSP of the community. Okay, I'm gonna publish this community now, and let's check how this works. We have published it. One more thing we need to do, we need to make this as publicly accessible site. Currently it's not declared as a public site, so I am gonna declare as a public site. Now I need to click on the publish here. Okay, okay, now we are going to access this chat demo page, and we see yes, agent is offline. Now we are going to check it on the Omni channel. So first let's go to the Omni supervisor. It's not here. Let me add here Omni supervisor. So if we see here, there is no agent available as of now. Okay, now let me go to online. Okay, now if we go to our this chat demo, and if I refresh this, we will see the chat with agent will be available. It is not. Why? If we see here, go to the sources. Okay, it is the given this errors here. So we need to allow this site from the CSP. We are seeing this error, right? So I'm gonna do here on the CSP side. We need to relax the security, and then these are already added here. That is fine. If this is not here, then just put some name and add this as a trusted site and publish it. Now if we see, if we reload this error should gone now. Okay, yeah, got it. Now we are seeing chat with agent. Now I'm clicking on this. If I will say the test case chat, we can change the fields on the pre-chat form also. This is the pre-chat form. We can configure it. Now if I go to the Omni here, yo hoo, we are getting the chat, and we are able to interact with the customer. Where we have this one, how may I help you? Yep. So in this way we have placed the chat on our community page, and we can put it on the external side also by the script which is provided by Salesforce. And here if you see, The chat script is there, the case has been created, the content has been created, everything is there. Thank you.